Hey garden gurus! Are you ready to become a reflective gardener? Let's take a stroll and tune into what your garden is telling you. First step, play detective. Which plants are thriving and which are just surviving? Every leaf and bud holds a clue. Caught a problem? Time to switch things up. Move those shade lovers out from under that sunbeam spotlight or tweak your watering routine to quench those thirsty roots. Mix it up by bringing in new recruits. Choose plants that fit the unique personality of your garden's microclimates. It's all about finding the right plant for the right place. Keep a garden journal or map. Jot down what works, what doesn't, and brainstorm your next big moves. Your garden is a living lab, and you're the lead scientist. Now, watch your garden flourish with each thoughtful tweak. It's a masterpiece in progress, and you're the artist. Take a moment to enjoy your handiwork. Reflective gardening isn't just about growing plants, it's about growing with your plants. Inspired to reflect and perfect? Hit like, subscribe, and join us for more green thumb adventures.